What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So, today we are Friday, 6 March. Before I even start, let me know, guys, if you guys hear me well, if the mic is good enough. Sooner or later, I'll end up getting the webcam so I can have my face right there. But I'm not longer on my MacBook. I'm on my PC, right? So yeah, let me know, guys. So yesterday we ended up blowing all my take profit accounts, my five pro accounts, 25Ks. Honestly, I can go and explain. It's not about the strategy, it's not about the trade. Honestly, this week so far was beautiful. Monday, Thursday, and Friday, winning days. Tuesday, no trade, Wednesday, lost. But obviously, I got fucked over by Trade Sinker. So, if you guys know, yesterday Trade Sinker just didn't sink shit. They said, oh, we had technical difficulties, bear with us, right? I couldn't trade. I ended up missing my beautiful setup, got tilted, and you guys already know what happened. And it's not I got tilted because oh I missed my trading day. It's because my account is in drawdown. Plus I'm already getting fucked by the intraday buffer, right? Missing my trade, my good trade that could have brought back my account. I'm over there moving my hand like you guys can see me. But yeah, basically I got fucked by Trade Sinker and I was like, okay, no, I'm done with them. So I opened 20 brand new 50Ks, 20 brand new 50Ks Apex's account, and I switched and I went with Tradecopia. Not only Tradecopia is cheaper, but I can have unlimited connection and accounts. And as of right now, it's syncing very well, so I love it. So that said, Apex on the SIM account, end of day drawdown, 3K to pass, 2K to lose. So 2K drawdown. There's a daily loss limit of 1K, but it really doesn't matter. I'm not even risking 1K. And what else? Minimum 1 day to pass, no consistency, and yeah, that's about it. Once I'm funded, I need 5 minimum days of 250 plus profit. And after 5 winning days, not consecutive, I can request a payout. Now, the beautiful thing is I can request a payout on 20 accounts, and it's a 100 profit split for my first 25K. So let's do a quick math. Quick math. I have 20 accounts. I mean, you guys can go check them out, right? But you can request 6 payout with them. First payout, the max is 1.5. Second one, the same thing. Third one, 2. Fourth one, 2.5, 2.5, and then 3K, right? So max payout, 1.5. Easily done, right? And what I like about Apex, I don't need to risk no more 500 per trade, right? Now I can risk 250, 350, and actually request a payout, a max payout, easily. But anyway, that's 30,000 USD, full, fully to my bank account. No profit split, no nothing. 4K, 40K, sorry. So yeah, that's gonna be very insane. I'll take it slow, trade the accounts. There's no rush. After 5 winning days, and since I'm risking less than 500, I need like 8 consecutive L's in a row to even blow the accounts. So yeah, I'll just go slowly, go with the trades, right? Do what I have to do, and yeah, request max payout 6 time. That's gonna be crazy. So yeah, that's the plan as of right now. Take profit is very nice for daily payout. I'm not gonna say no, but the intraday and everything. And right now, if I restart evals, I need to wait 5 winning days. No, I need minimum 5 days. It's just stressful for no reason. So anyway, Today, like I said, I did a was a winning day, but I moved my stop loss. I don't know why I moved my stop loss. I'm so mad. But anyway, so if you guys see a big number, it's normal. It's across 20 accounts. But yeah, that's around $500 off on each account. Um, but yeah, if you guys want to go check them out, check them out. They're definitely very, very nice as of right now. Anyway, quick recap. Let's go. Market open 936. We come, we sweep London low. Then what? Bang. We start pushing up, 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 right? Perfect. What can I see? 8:30 we had NFP, so we need to mark them. This is data high, data low, and we'll explain why it's very important. 8:30. Okay, so what can I see? We swept the lows, then full reversal all the way up. Not only we reversed this bearish gap, we inversed. So I'm stacking, you know, um, prob- probabilities. Yeah, you guys get it. Then what can I see? 9:45, bang. I entered the trade right there, right? Stop loss right there. TP 1 to 2, like always. Here, I'll show you guys. That was my entry right there. Then, like a dumbass, I moved my stop loss to this low. Price came to this low exactly, and I got stopped out. But yeah. Now, reasoning why I moved my stop loss. Well, first of all, 9:45 entry, everything looks perfect. Everything is aligned with context, right? 9:47, we just retraced deeper into this bullish gap, and then we actually went up, right? So as of right now, price shouldn't go lower than that, technically. Not only that, reason I moved it, 9:51, we went all the way up to these data lows and then back down. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna minimize my risk and go like that. Now, does it really matter that I minimize my risk for I don't know how much points? I guess not. But whatever. Next time, I'll just won't touch anything. I enter the trade. Whatever happens, happens. Anyway, long story short, ended up getting stopped out. I was risking 500 on my first trade. Those are fresh. I bought them yesterday. Those Apex's account and lost. So yeah, then I was like, okay, I'm done. You know, whatever. So I lost around 520 because this was 500. No, this was like maybe 570 or something. Anyway, so that was the trade for today. I mean, as of right now, March is still looking very nice. I just have to, you know, breathe, take the trade, execute. What can I say at night at 10? We just took out those data highs. So that's pretty nice. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comment if you guys prefer this or if you guys want me to just pop open my MacBook, record real quick, close it. Um, yeah, that's about it. Like I told you guys, I'll trade slowly. Even videos, I'll do recaps here and there, right? But I really just want to focus right now on me trading, passing all the accounts, and then I'll actually start going insane. But yeah, I'll see you guys Monday.